Hi guys, there are plenty of great programmable bread machines to choose from, such as Hamilton Beach, Elite Gourmet, Westbend, KITCHENARM, SAKI. It's difficult for customers to make a shopping decision. We've selected our 10 best programmable bread machines after extensive research and designed a buying guide to help you pick the best option. Based on our extensive evaluations and more than 10 days of testing dozens of programmable bread machines in different price ranges from $74 to $249, we have concluded this list of the best programmable bread machines. According to our research, we think Hamilton Beach Bread Machine is the best overall. For more of our top picks, read on. Also, check out our buying guide for some suggestions on how to choose the right programmable bread machine. So, let's get started. Number 10, Oster Express Bake Bread Maker. Now you can get it at around $120. Features of this product: make bakery-style artisan bread at home with the Oster Express Bake Bread Maker with gluten-free setting. With its compact, user-friendly design, 13 settings including express and gluten-free options, and 3 crust selections, this countertop bread maker makes it easy to bake a variety of breads, whether you want cinnamon raisin bread in the morning, whole wheat sandwich bread in the afternoon, or buttery dinner rolls. This bread machine features an express bake cycle that bakes delicious loaves in as little as 1 hour. The large LCD display allows you to easily navigate the settings, while the programmable timer lets you delay the bake time by up to 13 hours, so you can prepare ahead and enjoy a freshly baked loaf exactly when you want it. The bread maker comes complete with measuring tools, kneading blades, and delicious recipes. Ideal for larger families, the Express Bake Bread Maker has up to a 2-pound loaf capacity. The next is Number 9, KBS 17-in-1 Bread Maker Dual. Now you can get it at around $160. Features of this product: 710W upgraded dual heaters and unique healthy ceramic pan. 710W high power bread maker has improved 360 degrees dual heaters on the bottom and top of the bread pan that promote even baking and browning, most precise sensing the temperature of the cavity and intelligently regulate the baking process. Bread Machine's removable non-stick ceramic pan is designed to make the bread evenly baked, BPA-Teflon PTFE-free, premium, healthier and easy to clean. Perfect gift for health-conscious family or friends. Nutritious customized menus in 2lb large capacity and auto nut dispenser. More than a bread maker. KBS Automatic Bread Machine has 17 automatic programs to choose from. The bead maker machine automatically kneads, rises and bakes. The fruit nut dispenser automatically releases the ingredients at the optimum time. It has 3 loaf capacity of 1.5 2.0 pounds, 3 crust color options in light, medium, dark. The next is Number 8, Zojirushi BBHAC 10 Home Bakery. This programmable bread machines is here with the 33% price off. Now you can get it at around $200. Features of this product: this compact automatic bread maker from Zojirushi is the perfect way to enjoy your specialty breads at home. The bread maker makes up to 1 pound of bread dough and is completely programmable. You can choose from 3 bread textures, prepare pasta or cookie dough, make fresh jams and cakes, control your crust color, and program it to run up to 13 hours later with a delay timer. The maker also features a durable non-stick baking pan, kneading blade, and a viewing window. The LCD screen on the front is easy to read and user-friendly. Includes an easy-to-follow instruction video, manual, and recipe booklet to get you started. Addings for cookie, pasta dough and fresh fruit jams. Quick bake cycled programmable bread maker produces 1-pound loaves of cakes or breads. Non-stick kneading blade and baking pan, instructions and recipes included. Electrical rating 120 volts 450 watts. Dimensions 8 to 1 2x 11 to 1 4x 12 to 1 4 inches. 1-year warranty. QLess listed 13-hour delay timer, LCD control panel, viewing window, carrying handle. The next is Number 7, Hamilton Beach Premium Dough. This programmable bread machines is here with the 20% price off. Now you can get it at around $104. Features of this product: fresh homemade bread in just 3 steps. Just add your ingredients to the bread maker, select the cycle and press start. Automatic fruit and nut dispenser. No need to wait around during the kneading process if you want to add mix-ins to your dough. The bread maker machine features an automatic fruit and nut dispenser that will do it for you at the ideal time. Dishwasher safe parts. The bread machine pan and paddle are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Customizable size and shade, choose from light, medium, or dark crust options in 1, 5 or 2 pounds loaf sizes. 14 programmed cycles. Bread maker settings include Basic, French, Sweet, 1, 5 pounds Express, 2 pounds Express, Quick Bread, Gluten-Free, Artisan Dough, Whole Grain, Dough, Rise, Bake, Jam and Cake. The next is Number 6, Homecraft Mad 2WH. This programmable bread machines is here with the 10% price off. Now you can get it at around $90. Features of this product: automatic nut and fruit dispenser. Add extra ingredients such as fruit and nuts into the automatic nut and fruit dispenser tray, and the bread maker will automatically mix them into your bread with ease. Homemade bread at home. Wake up to the smell of homemade bread for your morning toast and then have delicious bread for lunchtime sandwiches. Making bread is easy, just add ingredients, select the program, and the bread maker effortlessly mixes, kneads, rises and bakes up to a 2-pound loaf in hours. Top viewing window. Watch the bread making progress from above as the bread maker features a see-through viewing window. Non-stick pan. Bread pan is non-stick, allowing for an easy cleanup, while the durable stirring rod allows for even cooking. LCD display. Large, easy-to-read LCD display and button controls make operation simple. Keep warm function. When baking cycle is over, 60-minute keep warm function will turn on to help keep the bread hot and fresh. The next is Number 5, SAKI 3LB Large Bread Maker. Now you can get it at around $169. Features of this product: intelligent delay start function. Add joy to your mornings with SAKI bread machine. With an intelligent delay option, you can prepare the ingredients before sleep, then hit the delayed timer to start your morning with fresh, hot and crusty bread. The bread maker can be delayed up to 15 hours. Your bread is always there for you. 3 pounds large capacity. SAKI bread maker has 3 bread size settings: 2.2 lb, 2.7 lb, and 3.3 lb, which makes the largest bread maker among the competitors. Also, SAKI bread maker has 3 crust options. The display will show the total time according to the selected functions. Designed for professional homemade quality. Automatic keep warm technology. Stop worrying about freshness loss of your newly baked bread. When the selected program ends, SAKI bread maker beeps 10 times to prompting that the program is completed. Then keep warm function gets activated until you remove your bread from the pan. Always fresh as promised. The next is Number 4, KITCHENARM 29-in-1 Smart. This programmable bread machines is here with the 18% price off. Now you can get it at around $115. Features of this product: unique one-click bread making. All your settings are saved for the next use, including menu loaf size, crust color for a preset menu, and your own settings for the homemade menu. It becomes one-click operation if you use the same recipe the next time. Simply add ingredients and click the start button once. 29 menus, 3 loaf sizes, 3 crust colors, 15-hour delay timer, 1-hour keep warm, 15-minute power interruption recovery, ADD nuts alarm, etc. 29-in-1 smart bread machine for newbies and pros. Your fresh, healthy homemade bread is clicks away. Just pick one of the many provided recipes or your own favorite recipe and click a few buttons. 29 automatic programs include 21 bread menus, 7 non-bread menus, and the fully customizable cycle-level programming homemade menu for almost any recipe. Beginners friendly and pros handy. The next is Number 3, Westbend High-Rise Bread Maker. This programmable bread machines is here with the 21% price off. Now you can get it at around $110. Features of this product: from the company that pioneered the concept of automating fresh baked bread at home, Westbend bread makers are perfect for novice or accomplished breadsmiths. Choose your favorite recipe, add the ingredients to the non-stick bread pan, and let the bread maker do all the work. Delicious, warm bread with none of the work. 12 programmable settings, including gluten-free and customizable loaf sizes and crust colors, allow you to bake bread your way. Dual lead blades provide thorough dough kneading for a lighter taste and higher rise. 12 digital settings include basic, wheat, French, sweet, dough, gluten-free, and custom setting is perfect for the baker who is already familiar with bread maker baking. Fully customize your settings for the perfect loaf of bread. 3-level crust control, light, medium, and dark. Instruction manual includes many delicious recipes, including garlic bread, wheat bread, bagel and pasta dough, even low-carb and gluten-free. The next is Number 2, Elite Gourmet EBM 8103B, now you can get it at around $75. Features of this product: making fresh artisan breads right at home is now foolproof and automatic. The Elite Gourmet Bread Maker does the kneading, rising, and baking for you. Manage the nutrients that go in your bread by limiting preservatives and trans fat and even eliminating gluten. Includes everything you'll need to bake fresh bread: non-stick bread pan, measuring cup and spoon, kneading blade, metal hook for lifting out. Kneading blade includes 19 programmed preset menu for a variety of different types of doughs, from basic white bread to even pizza dough. Free up the oven and save on power. Reduce the heat in your kitchen and less washing of different cooking implements. 15-hour delay timer and a 60-minute keep warm function allows you to control your baking to the max. The next is Number 1, Hamilton Beach Bread Maker. Now you can get it at around $131. Features of this product: fresh homemade bread in 3 easy steps. Just add your ingredients to the bread maker, select the cycle and press start. You control the ingredients and nutritional content. Prepare healthy loaves of bread without preservatives or trans fat using this Hamilton Beach Bread Maker. Versatile with 12 cycles, make dough, bake cake, or make delicious mouth-watering loaves of fresh baked bread. Cycles include basic, French, gluten-free, quick bread, sweet, 1.5 pounds express, 2.0 pounds express, dough, jam, cake, whole grain and bake. Great for dough prep. Prepare a variety of yeast doughs in the bread maker machine for dinner rolls, pizza crusts, cinnamon buns and more, then bake in a conventional oven. Make bread the way you like it. Choose to make either 1.5 pounds or 2 pounds loaves, and select from 3 crust settings for light, medium or dark crust. So this is the best option for you to buy.